Thank you, Hampton. I hope yep, you can hear me. Thank you for being here. It's wonderful. We will now have our meditation. But before you close your eyes, imagine this. Behind me, a huge pane of glass. Imagine. And behind that, we've got trees, green, branches. And then, in your imagination, that orb, that beautiful, perfect circle. And as you breathe, let's just feel it's somewhat like the light of the sun, and yet like the circular pane of glass. It's rather cool and maybe blue, green, turquoise, effervescent, with a beautiful piece of nature behind. And we call in that light, that orb, and feel it then shining upon your feet, grounding just like those trees, the beautiful trees. And you breathe and feel the roots and your own roots to this beautiful earth. And that orb, the light, the energy flows up your legs. And that orb shining upon all of your inner muscles and bones and nerves, invigorating, rejuvenating. The light, the orb goes up the torso, up the back, up the spine. Breathe in the good energies, that perfect circle, the sphere, the light going up to the neck, to the top of the head, over the head, shining that light from above. And then it sets somewhat, moving down to your head, and allow that orb, that wonderful, beautiful, shining light to rest right there in your heart, shining upon your heart. And then you breathe with that divine orb that is the perfect sphere that God speaks through, communicating, aligning with you in your heart, in your soul. Breathing in that wonderful, peaceful, inspiring energy. I will be quiet for a minute and allow yourself to just glow and float with that sphere, with that circle, with that divine energy now. And the awareness slowly coming back, bringing back with you this sense of peace, that light within, the connection with Spirit Divine. And we wake up, waking up into the present time and place, bringing back with you that sense of peace, love, and light. And welcome back.